Have you ever gone to bed on a comfortable mattress only to wake up overheating in the middle of the night? If you want to avoid that nightmare, it helps to know how well a mattress actually keeps you cool before you buy it. At RTINGS, we test how effectively mattresses move heat away from you during the first hour in bed and over a solid 8-hour night of sleep. In this video, we'll recommend the most cooling mattresses we've tested so far. We have picks in a range of prices, feels, and firmness levels, but they're all good options to keep hot sleepers comfortable. If you're looking for the best cooling above all else, it's worth considering the purple RestorePlus. This mattress's grid comfort layer is divisive. Not everyone will like that you can feel its shape under the cover, but others appreciate its contouring responsive feel. It has medium firmness overall, offering excellent pressure relief for average and heavier side sleepers and great support for light back and stomach sleepers. Average and heavier back and stomach sleepers will want more support. As for its cooling performance, it's exceptional. The purple grid allows for plenty of airflow, and paired with a support layer of pocket coils makes it an extremely cooling design. It feels cool when you first get into bed and dissipates heat extremely effectively all night, making it a great option if you just can't find a mattress that keeps you comfortable. It has impressive motion dissipation too, so it's suitable for sleeping with a partner. The single layer of foam in the mattress is made from good quality polyfoam, which should help it resist sagging. Price is a definite downside of the RestorePlus. If you're not looking for a high-end mattress, the more basic all-foam purple mattress is another great option. It has slightly worse cooling performance, but is still remarkably cooling. However, keep in mind that it's a firmer mattress with weaker edge support and worse motion dissipation. If you're looking for a plusher, more enveloping mattress, you might prefer the Casper Snow. This hybrid mattress comes with a list of cooling features that the manufacturer calls snow technology. These features include aluminum graphite bands that are meant to draw heat away from your body, phase change materials which absorb and release heat as they change state, and a cover meant to feel cool to the touch. While that might sound questionable, the Casper offers an excellent cooling performance. It doesn't feel quite as cool as the purple when you first get into bed, but still does an amazing job of keeping you cool overnight and ranks as one of the most cooling mattresses we've tested. It has a medium firmness level, and its great pressure relief makes it a good choice for many side sleepers, especially average and heavier people. It's also supportive enough for light and average back and stomach sleepers. This mattress's memory foam upper comfort layer has a very plush feel, so you'll sink easily into it. Combined with its slow responsiveness, it'll make you feel hugged or enveloped. You might find that cozy or constricting, depending on your preferences. It has a very strong motion isolation performance, which is great for couples. However, it's not very durable. Its comfort layers are made of low-density memory foam and are prone to start forming permanent indentations sooner than higher quality foams. The Casper Snow is also available in Canada, but with a different design. That said, it has a similar medium firmness level and still offers an excellent cooling performance. If you're a back or stomach sleeper, you might need a firm mattress like the Saatva Latex Hybrid. This firm hybrid mattress offers good support for average people and decent support for people in the heavier weight category, making it suitable for average and heavier back and stomach sleepers as well. Its latex upper comfort layer offers a responsive, bouncy feel that makes it easy to move around on. It doesn't feel as cool as the Casper or purple when you first get into bed, but does an excellent job of moving heat away from you over an 8-hour night and offers an impressive overall cooling performance for hot sleepers. While it doesn't offer any specific cooling tech like a grid layer or aluminum graphite bands, latex is very breathable, helping to dissipate heat efficiently. This bouncy mattress doesn't isolate motion as well as the Casper, but it's still good enough for most people sharing a bed. Its dense latex layers help make it a durable mattress and should prevent it from showing signs of wear longer. Its edge support is another strong suit, which is nice if you need a solid surface for getting in and out of bed, or just like to sleep near the very edge. If you're shopping on a budget, you can still find some cooling options. The Novaform Legacy is a firm hybrid mattress with a bouncy, responsive feel, so it feels easy to move around on. You won't sink very deeply into its quilted layer, but it's very contouring, which helps add some pressure relief. Still, it's likely best suited for back and stomach sleepers, as well as heavier side sleepers. It's not quite as cooling as the pricier mattresses we've discussed so far, but still offers a great cooling performance, especially over several hours, making it a good, budget-friendly option for hot sleepers. Its motion dissipation performance is excellent as well, which could be good news if you sleep light and hot. This cheaper mattress isn't even the least durable option we've discussed. Its mix of good and lower quality foams will help it resist forming permanent indentation for longer versus mattresses that only use lower quality foams. That said, edge support is a weak point. If you want a mattress with solid sides, it's not a good option. That's it for the best cooling mattresses. The purple RestorePlus hybrid is pricey, but worth a try if you've been disappointed by so-called cooling mattresses before, since its cooling performance really stands out. The Casper Snow offers a more enveloping feel and works better for most side sleepers while still doing an excellent job of dissipating heat. The Saatva Latex Hybrid is a more durable mattress that feels easy to move around on and offers impressive cooling and a firm feel for back and stomach sleepers. Finally, if you're a hot sleeper on a budget, the Novaform Legacy is a solid choice. Check out our website for even more options and let us know what you think of our choices in the comments. Until next time, I'm Ben from RTINGS.com, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Thanks for watching.